This video is for all my hard-working blue-collar moms out there just like myself. If you haven't met me yet, hi, my name is Kayla. I'm a mom, I'm a wife, and I used to work inside of an automotive factory for 16 years. You guys, I worked every Friday, every Saturday, every Sunday, every holiday for 16 years for a company that didn't give two craps about me. Then I lost my job at the beginning of 2023. I knew I didn't want to go back to that, so I found this opportunity here on TikTok. I would never tell anyone to quit their job. This business does not take a lot of time. It's a 2 to 3 hour workday from home at your own convenience. I work my business in the nooks and crannies of my day completely around my 3 kids. Can this replace your job? Yes, it can. Very easily, if you want it to, right? But it can also supplement your income because it's 2024. It's expensive just to go to the grocery store nowadays. I help moms not take that calculator into the grocery store no more. Be proud of your bank account, and I have to check your bank account every time you leave the house to see if you have money to go do anything. So if you're ready to be part of a thriving community where you get live, hands-on, interactive mentorship on a daily basis, so you know exactly what you're doing on your journey and you're never alone, because we have over 15,000 people here to support you and encourage you. If you'd like to learn more, this Friday we are doing a webinar just for moms, and we're going to be breaking everything down, showing you step by step exactly how you can have the recipe to 10K in May and get you going to where you can learn how to make daily pay, 100% profit, so you're getting paid for what you're worth, my friends. And my business is automated, so it works in the background for me 24/7. That's what allows me to work 2 to 3 hours a day. That still gives me 22 hours a day to do the things I love and spend time with my family. So it does not take a lot of time. You don't need any experience. I started out from 0 experience, 0 followers. I knew absolutely nothing, but I started this business. I started this business scared. I started it messy, and I started it not knowing anything, but I went ahead and started it because I knew I needed to make a change in my life in order to do something different, because as a mom, the most important thing to me was spending time with my family. So if you're ready to learn how to make daily pay, learn how to have a fully automated rejection-free business where you don't have to get on the phone with anyone or talk to anyone or bug your family and friends. Be part of a thriving community where you get live, hands-on, interactive mentorship from a community that is #1 in business because or live engagement. It's not just a course sitting in your computer saying, here, good luck. You will always have daily guidance, and you will never be on your journey alone. If you'd like to learn more, drop mom in the comments, and I'd love to send you the invite for the webinar. That way I can have you there as a guest and answer all your questions.